Hello and welcome to Gaming Room. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change the show-offs on the game Match Masters. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Match Masters on your phone. Now click on your profile icon on the top left-hand corner of the screen. To change the emotes or show-offs, you can see the emotes option over here, and the show-offs is this one. So you must unlock the show-offs by unlocking the levels. You can see some show-offs example by clicking on the play button, which is right on the top of the show-offs menu. As soon as you click on it, it will take some time because the graphics will be shown of the show-offs which will appear after you finish the game. So you can easily unlock show-offs and change them this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.